and for anybody else that resonates with that. Thanks so much, and I will talk to you guys again in a month.
It's been a little more than a month, but we're back. Hey, my name's Mike Garn, and I'm developing a game called 3 of Jib. And we're going to... okay, whatever. So after a lot of thinking about how to go about doing this vlog, I've been really struggling to just find a way to do this that's interesting to me and to the viewers. Basically what I'm going to do is just play the game and talk about it. And I've got some talking points, new things that I put in that I want to talk about, things I've put in since the last trailer I released. So let's play the game. So here we are in my little world that I exist in a lot because I'm always working on this. Many hours a day. So if I go this way, this is the way to the trailer. What? See over there? But we're not going that way today. We're going to the left, which is where I test out stuff. There was so much I wanted to put into that trailer, and I'm calling it trailer loosely. All right, everyone, cut me some slack. Since then, I've added ammo stations because after that was the kind of, I've played the game a lot, but that was the first time I started really adding in all of the game elements for it. Yeah, seeing that pretty much has inspired a lot of new ideas. So one of the things I've added is this ammo station. You go up here, and depending on what gun you have, it'll automatically change the ammo type and give you that for a price. So I'm going to be mostly using this one, and I'm going to use this one. And you now have, before you only had 2 guns, now you have 3. And I've been working pretty hard. Oh, we've also got armor stations, which I'll talk about armor later on as I get my ass kicked. But the new gun is called the Recog, and it's basically 3's, which if you don't know, 3 is the robot, Robbie is the bear. And 3 has this weapon called a Recog, which pretty much is just an infinite ammo gun because I was having a lot of problems running out of ammo, and I didn't want the enemies to drop ammo anymore. It just clutters the screen, and it's really ugly, and there's a lot of weird coding you gotta do to be like, a lot of hand-holding coding, I guess you could call it, where the enemies, if you're low on ammo, they'll automatically drop it. It's very hand-holding, and I don't like it. So I was like, how about we just add an infinite ammo gun instead that just sucks? And so that's where we are. This is the infinite ammo gun, and like I said, it sucks compared to the other guns. I think its efficiency is like probably like 30% worse than any other gun you can get. But it always has ammo. But if you look, I'm also working on the jumping right now. So if the jumping looks a little weird, that is why. Oh my god, focus. Jeez, they are absolutely kicking my ass right now. Got to take control of the situation. Okay, it's because of that gun, dude. That gun is the worst. Okay, let's try this again. Well, gonna go back and get some ammo. Yeah, I love the idea of the infinite ammo gun. I've been playing a lot of Enter the Gungeon, and I love the way that they have chosen to do their ammo system. It's like you don't want to end up with the default gun, but it's better than nothing. That's kind of how I've been looking at this. Okay, I want the cicada. The cicada is kind of fun. In the actual sound file, I actually added the sound of, well, it was a cicada at first. It's like a bunch of cicadas making noise, but then I made it a rattlesnake instead. Same thing, they sound similar. But, let's close that guy down first of all. Here, dude. Whoop. Whoop. There we go. Let's use this. Let's get serious. Dude, why did you jump up there? Why would I jump up there? dude, how do streamers do it? I have a newfound... Oh, like that. Yes. Another thing... Okay, so one thing I did get... I showed a video of the gore system. The Gibbs system. But I've been adding that. You can see, like, these things, like, splatter up on the ceiling sometimes. Like, when the enemy dies, it'll shoot off these particles, and if they hit the ceiling, it has a chance of making permanent Gibbs in the environment. Now, I had to, like, dumb it down a lot, not because I don't like it, but in these situations, when you got lots of guys all over, it gets so messy, and then you can't see. And I've already made the game kind of difficult to see already, which I'm working on. Ways to change that. Gotcha. Sucker. Oh, my word. Get over here, dude. No. No. Now, another new animation is the recharge. So for recharging your health. The price to recharge your health is that you can't move, but it's free. You can do it anytime as long as you have a brief moment to do it. Oh, I was talking about the Gibbs system. Yeah, so it's basically like, it's pretty cool. There's like, I'm not going to go into all the details of it, nerd out on it, but there's a lot of details I put into it. I'm just a big fan. I love watching, what's that? This at the same time as thinking. Brutal Doom. I love watching what the guys that are building Brutal Doom are doing. It's so inspiring. And that's kind of I think that's probably what's influenced this Gibbs system more than anything. I just, like, you hit the ceiling with the Gibbs and then, like, the blood splatters. Also, another thing cool that happens is if it has drops, it actually starts to develop puddles, and it only gets so big, but you can actually watch it get bigger. Still working on the jump system, and the dodge system is broken at the moment, but you can go left and right, but the up and down version is busted. It's kind of been like the theme of game development, I'd say. It's like you fix one thing and then it's not like it's always because you fixed one thing that it breaks another, but it kind of seems that way. I should have recharged everything in my life back there. Jeez, I got ammo. Oh my gosh, dude, if I die again, I will never forgive myself. There we go, got a little armor. Let's keep it. See, I can't recharge my health right now because they will kill me. I've tried it many times. I've made it just perfect so that way you can't really do it unless you use them first, like right now. But right now he's doing that because I haven't made his patrol system. I need to do it. I just need to make it. Basically, if you lose them, they switch from an attack mode to a patrol mode. And one day, when I get farther along, I want to show everyone like the debug mode for the AI because it's pretty cool. It's so complicated how they all move around. There's just so much to do. I don't even know if I'll be able to talk about everything that I plan on doing. There's just so much to do. I have a list of about 30 things. Of about 30 things that I have to do. And my current goal right now for the project is I'm gonna try to get an Unreal developers grant. I don't really know how much they give out, but hopefully it's enough to keep this little project afloat and keep me from having to go and pick up work again. Oh, no! Dude, this is cutting it close. Hang on. Hang on, we gotta concentrate. Dude, there's only 2 left. Come on, dude. There we go. Yep. Okay. Charging the health up this time because I don't think I did last time. Running around. What was I talking about? Oh, the dev grant. Yeah, so I could send this in right now as is, and I probably would get somewhat of a grant, but I want to send an actual build of the game to them. And there's a few, like I said, there's like 30 things I have to do before I can send it to them. You know, I don't know how it actually works. I just know, I'm just pretty sure that if the more promising the game looks on their end, probably the more they're willing to help out. There we go. Yes. I'm getting better at this. So anyway, so that's kind of where we're at now. I think if I can do that, if I could just get a little funding for this, which it's amazing what they're doing. I mean, I cannot believe how much money they set aside for developers. It's really cool. Yeah, just, I don't know, what I've been doing lately is I'll switch between having some kind of concept art gig. Hopefully, you know, I usually look for like freelance ones, but it'd be really cool if I didn't have to do that and if I could just get a little bag of cash to keep me afloat for a little while so I can finish this thing. I think I can finish this. My goal is to have this finished next year. I've got it's a lot of work to do though, but I'm a pretty big fan of modularity and keeping things pretty simple. Yeah, I like keeping things simple, so make room so that way if there is something complex with the game, you know, in the gameplay, I don't know, it's like this balance. Game development and design is finding a balance, and you got to choose what is complicated wisely. You can't just I'm gonna restart this. We're just gonna keep on going. I took a little break. Let's see, my last thought that I left off on was about balancing complexity, gameplay complexity. So let's get some ammo first. We're gonna be going into this shit. Wait, there. More. So yeah, balancing complexity. I'm just a really big fan of really simple games. You know, I like upgrade trees and stuff, but I find in a lot of games they're so overdone. Like I was playing Rage 2, and I was really having a good time with it, except for the upgrade system. It's like, why do I have to upgrade everything? I like upgrades, but it's like I don't need to upgrade every goddamn thing in the game. So anyway, I've taken that to heart, and between that and like other games I've played, you know, kind of figured out that I don't like that. I don't like upgrade trees that are super complicated. I don't like it when I have to upgrade like shoelaces or whatever. So anyway, you can expect some simplicity, and the best part about that is if you keep things simple, it makes a lot of room for, you know, just having other ideas that can just be really polished out, and you can make sure that they're good and balanced, and they feel and fit great with what you're up to. Yeah, I think it's about time to call it. Sure. I hope everyone's just do it. Vlog 2. We didn't think it was gonna happen, but it happened anyway. I think there's going to be a third one. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get better at this. But anyway, really appreciate everyone watching and stopping by. Feel free to like and comment and all that other crap. I think last time I said something like, I'll see you next month. I'll see you next month.